I am excited to finally review the DOVOH professional laser level. This thing is incredible. I've been using it for probably almost close to a year now, and it is not only incredibly accurate, but incredibly easy to use. The on-off switch is right here, and then you really have just a couple of functions here between horizontal. You can do double horizontal, which is essentially the space between maybe like a light switch. You can do no horizontal, which is helpful if you're doing just vertical. You can do horizontal and vertical. This function right here is great for centering something like pendant lights or a ceiling fan. It has to be within a certain amount of tolerance for it to work, otherwise it's going to start beeping, so you'll know if it's not nice and flush. I'm going to shut it off here. Has a screw mount down at the bottom, so you can easily attach it to any sort of stand or mount that you'd like. This is a brightness, so you can go extra bright if you want. So that's operating it. I'd really love to tell you that there was more to it, but there's only 3 buttons on here. You can see this, you can see the glow a little bit more. It's during the day, so it's tough to see, but that's it. I'd really love to say that there is a lot more to it, or that it's more difficult to use. You have a charger right here, which of course it comes with. So very simple to use, very plug and play. Does not take a rocket scientist at all to use this thing. It's got some awesome accessories that come with it that we'll go over. But other than that, highly recommend it for the value. I have no complaints over something like this, and it has been my daily user, like I said, now for almost a year. So it comes with the charger, a remote so that you can turn it off remotely, extra batteries so you can be charged, a micro stand which allows you to make tiny little micro adjustments as you need it. This is an accuracy card, so if you need to be able to see on something but there's no backing to it, maybe it's just like an empty space and you need something for it to hit, you can use this. Of course, also comes with a nice stand that you can attach to walls or quarter rounds or baseboards or whatever to attach the laser level so that you can operate it hands-free or further, up on something so that you're not sitting there trying to hold it. Hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and I always look forward to being a resource.